Hello, I'm Joe McCarthy. In this presentation, we'll go over the major highlights that make up the latest release of AppResponse 11, version 11.1.0. AppResponse 11 is now integrated with Portal. AppResponse 11 supports Radius and TACACS Plus authentication. In the release of the new module, Database Analysis, or DBA module, with TruePlot functionality is now available. The look and feel of this release is identical to the previous releases, but you'll notice when you log in for the first time, the default page has the addition of database metrics. When you select Insights, you'll see under Summary and Individual the addition of the database metrics. I'll select All DB Traffic. Let's go through this. Remember, this is a summary view. The first row displays all the types of databases supported: DB2, Informix, Oracle, SQL Server, Sybase, and Teradata, along with a pie chart displaying query activity, and finally, how the database's response time are performing. Is time being spent on the server or the network? The next row down provides insights to the query and session activity. And finally, a view into the busiest database servers, clients, and instances. And remember, when you mouse over any of the tiles, you can customize the view to meet your specific needs. Next, let's look at the DB Queries insight. This is where TruePlot is integrated. The power of TruePlot is that it shows every transaction, so finding behaviors or trends that are not expected are easily identified. If you want to zoom into a specific area, simply highlight that region, and now the boxes below all represent that specific information. And as before, you can right mouse button over any metric to launch into more specific information concerning DB queries or DB sessions. Now let's look at the DB Sessions insight. The DB Sessions insight focuses on the connection information. The top row displays database busy and database idle time. The next row down shows more specifics by database type, top processes, and instances. Moving down, the next row displays database servers and database clients and how they're performing. And the final row shows all the DB sessions for this time period and all the pertinent information. This can be customized by simply clicking on the column chooser, and in here you can, like the other views, go in and define exactly what metrics you wish to see or remove. Selecting Navigator shows the addition of the DBA module along with the ASA and WTA modules. Under Database Analysis, you see the 5 out-of-the-box insights that are pre-configured. When you select More, you're taken to the Navigator view where you can view very specific metrics defined by database sessions and database query categories. And of course, you can configure views to suit your needs as you've done before with the ASA and WTA modules. And finally, under Administration, you'll see where Radius and TACACS Plus support has been added. This video has been a short introduction to the major highlights of AppResponse 11, version 11.1.0. For more information on AppResponse 11, please visit the link below. Thank you.